How to make money on RuneScape 3 in 2021. Online games are increasingly becoming places where people can make money, so much so that entire careers are emerging around just a single game, and competitive leagues with prize money of millions of dollars are emerging in a category known as esports. In this video, we will focus on RuneScape 3, which is creating huge monetary returns for its players. We will discuss how to make money on RuneScape 3. The game RuneScape 3 has seen many different changes since its release. One of the most significant changes is the introduction of bonds. Bonds are in-game currency that can be used to purchase a membership, items, and even gold. The amount of money you can make with this is limitless. But how does it work? The first thing you have to do is buy bonds. You will only need enough for 1 month worth of membership, which costs £4.95 or $6.95. Once you have the price, head on over to either the US or UK store and purchase them. After your purchase, they will show up in your bank under bonds. After that, it's time to start earning some cash. For starters, redeem all of your bonds for membership. Then start doing quests and dungeons for more experience points, XP. Once you've gained enough XP, it's time to start farming gold by collecting herbs and mining ore. RuneScape is a game with thousands of hours of gameplay, so where should you start? So far, I've gotten more than £500 worth of gold without spending a single pound. The one thing to remember, however, is that you will spend a lot of time on that same page if you want to get money quickly. If you want to be top of the leaderboards, then you have to stick to the basics. And when I say basics, I mean the basics. You want to play the game, and you want to be the best. The traps. Pay the fee and then wait in the queue for hours for anything useful to happen. Here's the catch: on top of making sure you can play for hours without waiting, you're also going to lose hours waiting in queues for stuff to happen. The way to get ahead in this game is just having the money. Bonds. The first thing you will need is a character created on RuneScape 3. This can be done in a couple of ways. You can create one through the Nexus, which is what the game was created on, or you can create one on the Steam or PlayStation Store. All of these methods have you create a character in the RuneScape universe, which is the universe that RuneScape 3 exists in. Once you have your character created, head on to the cash shop and purchase the most basic of characters. Once you have purchased your character, head over to the Atlas and go to the bank. Click on your character to go to the login screen. For this tutorial, we will assume you have purchased a male character. Farming XP in gold. Some players think it's easier to do these by themselves. Some rewards you can get can be quite nice. You can get flint to craft obsidian, pure steel to craft silver, and even an ice egg to craft perky eggs. You can get them by doing some very simple tasks. A few of the tasks can take a few hours to complete. You don't have to be doing all of these at once. I have only done the initial few dozen. You can also earn all the new monster rewards through doing these. I highly recommend doing the bounties first before doing any real farming. For me, farming XP and gold were one of the most fun things I could do. If you want to be the best RuneScape player in 2021, invest in bonds right now. Before the economy tanks once more, you can sell off those bonds to become filthy rich. The best thing about bonds is the vast amount of money you can make if you invest right. So if you want to be the first to make a killing in RuneScape 3, start now.